Hello, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management Worcester. Just coming to you today at 137 Main Street in Upton, Massachusetts. This is a 4-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom apartment. It's a 2-story apartment, and I'm going to be going around and trying to give you the best idea of the size and the dimensions of this place as I can just from the video, as well as point out a lot of the nice things that come with this apartment. So this is an apartment. It is an apartment as part of a duplex. So there's 137 Main Street, which is the unit address for this one, and then the rear unit is 137 Main Street, unit rear, and that one's vacant right now as we're doing renovations over there. But this apartment has just been recently renovated, and there's plenty of great fixtures and finishes that are in really good condition throughout. We're starting out here in the kitchen. There's this really nice kind of green, dark green, rock style countertop that really goes nicely with the wood in here, but there's plenty of cabinets and all these stainless steel appliances. You kind of have the full set with the large stainless steel fridge, electric stove, and dishwasher. It's got a couple outlets too, going throughout, and a nice window. So this is where you would come in from the parking, which is wrapping around the side of the building. We'll take a look at the front door, but that's there's no parking on the street in front of the house, so you would mostly be coming in through this kitchen side. And it's a nice size for the sink as well. You've got the spray nozzle on that too, and there's some coat hangers for the hooks and a pantry closet. Then coming over here, this is the dining room. Could be used as a dining room or a living room, but there's the much larger room over there, which we would call the living room. And you can see from here, you've got the hardwood floors that go through seamless transitions through the room. And it's got the baseboards for the heating. Very large, tall windows that let in a lot of light from the front. And it's got some built-in cabinets as well. A lot of the lighting in here is like chandelier. So there is a chandelier here, and in the hallways upstairs too. And coming in here, so this is like the foyer, or just the front area after the front entrance. So this is where it comes in through the front of the house. So this is Main Street in Upton. And 137 is on the front. So you come in through the front here, but there is no parking on the front. So this would only be if you were kind of coming in and out that way. And from here, you can kind of get to the rest of the apartment. So there's the stairs that go upstairs. You just came from the dining room, and then a hallway going back around to the kitchen, and then other entrance into the living room. So this is the living room over here. You got the nice fireplace fixture with the more built-in cabinets and shelves and nice recessed lighting. It has a porch with two doors to both let light in. This one coming in and out. And this is a porch. It's a pretty large porch. I didn't bring the measuring tape, but it would be perfect for, outdoor activities, and same thing with the yard. So we're kind of getting the angle from here. Gonna go check out the parking in a little bit, kind of towards the end of the video, but very nice lawn. Then you come back in here. So the living room is also very large, I should mention, with all these hardwood floors that you can see even wrap around back into the hallway, that are in really good condition too. Whole place has been professionally de-cleaned, and there's fresh paint throughout. This living room is definitely big enough for, you can have multiple sectional couches, or also have the hookups for the entertainment system if you were going to put a TV or anything in the living room. This is the bathroom. This is the half bathroom. So this is a 1.5 bath, And it just has this convenient bathroom right off the living room. And it has a sink with a little cabinet right there too. And coming around here, this is the wraparound. So this goes down to the basement. Take a look at the basement, actually. Basement's just for a little bit of extra storage. And it's got the washer and dryer machines in here. So yeah, if you had some storage, if you didn't need it to be in temperature controlled, I would always say best thing is to only put stuff in the basement if it's airtight sealed. But this is the basement over here. It does have quite a bit of area. It's got some shelving also, and good lighting. And then this is just access for the rest of the utility fixtures. Then coming over here, this would go back up and around to the second floor. And this is where it goes to the full bathroom and all 4 of the bedrooms on each corner. So I'm gonna go around one by one. Start with the smallest one. So this is the smallest bedroom out of the 3-1. You know, you could fit like a queen size bed and a desk slash dresser. And it's got the nice carpeting, which is very clean condition, and a closet over there too. If you know a lot of apartments in Worcester, it's a little bit more common to see bedrooms similar size. And coming over here, this is the other corner on this back side of the house, or back side of the apartment on the second floor. This one has the closet over here. It's a pretty big closet with shelves kind of on the deeper back side, and you have the built-in shelves over there too. Then coming back through here, this goes to the other 2 bedrooms and the bathroom. So if I came over here, this would be this bedroom, this side. And so these next 2 are going to be the bedrooms that are front facing on the side of the house on the Main Street side. And they're both a little bit bigger. Nice carpet in this room. And nice paint throughout too. It's got these wall fixtures, built-in lamps. Same thing as the smaller room had the lamps as well. And it has 2 closets. And both closets kind of go deep into the wall. So there's a little bit of extra space. Then coming into here, we have the bathroom. So this bathroom is in very nice condition. You have the rock countertops and the Jack and Jill sink. I've known people that call it that. It's a dual sink with 2 different bins and 2 faucets. And really nice vanity cabinets, very big mirror with the lights kind of all put together. So it's really nice to see, and really nice tile work for the rest of the bathroom too. You have this shower, tiles kind of going throughout, ceiling fan above. And it just has the toilet over here, kind of this wall divider between the toilet and the shower, and the fixtures that go with that too. And coming in here, this will be the 4th bedroom. And this one has a little alcove, which is a place that you could sit over on this side. You could sit or store kind of like items on there as well. And it's got the nice carpet that the other rooms had too. Baseboard heating in this one as well. and some pretty big windows too. Doesn't have a central AC system, but tenants are more than welcome to bring their own AC. And that's gonna do it for the tour over here, 137 Main Street. Coming out of the front door here, that's the entrance to the other unit, and then the rest of the house in the rear is that back unit. This is the driveway that comes up. Driveway will come up to here. It's in front of these two garage bays, and then there's ample parking in the rear. Ample parking in the rear, and then when we were outside, we saw a little bit of this lawn. From this angle, you can see a little bit more too. But this is what the whole parking looks like. And once again, this has been Nick from Nexus Property Management Worcester, 137 Main Street. If you have any questions, please let us know at our website, nexuswor.com, WOR.com, and that has the for rent page that you can go to the vacancies as well, and has the option to reach out for the leasing agent too.